स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दी गोवान AWES फुटबॉल सर्त जिखली। वास्को टिळक मैदानाचेर जाल्ले फायनलीत स्पोर्टिंगान साळगांवकर फुटबॉल क्लबाक एका गोलान मारले। पयल्या हाफात एकूय गोल जावंक नाशिल्लो। दुसऱ्या हाफात स्पोर्टिंगाच्या कुवान गोमसाक रेड कार्ड मेळ्ळें। 10 प्लेयरां सयत खेळपी स्पोर्टिंगान आक्रमक खेळ चालूच दवरलो। 86व्या मिनटाक क्लायव्ह मिरांडान केल्ल्या गोलाच्या नेटार स्पोर्टिंग वस्ताद थारले।
Definitely we were using some tactics, but the whole credit should go to the boys, they were the people who gave their best. Though we were not we started late, the pre-conditioning was not finished in between this tournament game also, and they showed a lot of character. Whatever been told to them, whatever strategies been, because we have not practiced much, whatever strategies were there, they applied to themselves and gave their best. And
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।